guys. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Mom. Today, me and CJ cooked casserole chicken, right? And today we were it took a couple takes, and you know how the new YouTube editor thing where you're able to make videos, it's not that good. Alright, so now all I believe we have to do is mix it around, right?
Yeah, so what are we making? We're making chicken
Casserole
with broccoli and
cheese.
So CJ, you want to mix that up for me?
Yep.
Let me wash my hands.
Me too.
No. You mix it up first. I'll wash my hands and you'll wash yours. Good tip for you guys. Always wash your hands after cooking something.
Yep.
Mmm. It's got bacon.
I love bacon.
Whoa. Bubbles everywhere.
You can still leave the water.
All right, so stir it up and then put the cheese on it.
If you want, you should have put some cheese on it.
Somebody can open.
You got to grab your chair to wash your hands.
I got this. There you go.
I know that's super loud. My chair was squeaky. I got soap.
Don't put it in the food.
I got soap.
We don't need soapy food.
No.
That's right. That'd be messy.
And disgusting.
That's definitely disgusting.
Okay. So what we got to do now is add the cheese, Christian.
Cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Maybe in the...
It's right there, Bubba, on the counter.
Oh, right there. Wow.
Okay, so come back and add the cheese.
More cheese or just put cheese in it? Do we get 100 pieces of cheese in there?
Yeah, sprinkle it liberally on there.
No.
Just take the bag and dump it on there.
Foils?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
No, just a little bit more.
That?
Yeah, that's good.
Go around?
Mm-hmm. Nope, no stirring this time. So all we do now is you go and you put it in the oven and you bake it for
2 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah, and then it comes out and you can serve it over rice or pasta.
Well, we're going to have to keep this video running until it gets out.
We'll tell them thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. Please don't quit the video. Just keep it running. Keep recording on.
No, I'm not going to keep reporting.
Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you...
No.
Make sure you
Subscribe. Thank you.
Leave a comment down below. What should I cook next?
Leave a comment down below.
What should we cook next? You let us know down below. If you haven't subscribed, it'll be in the corner. Thank you.
And hit the notification bell.